Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jong pi, hang ne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lai nyo ar nyo sau ar nyo. Kum ka jing itu yang Khynnah Skul kibodan ye kisap om tang ha ka pulin. Henry ban itu ru ha ka jing Ialehkai ka office jong district sports officer Bhoi district ha ka jing trelang bat ka Bhoi district sports association menta ka singila sedang ya ka district level inter school athletics meet arjar arpsan ya ka belapan long hamadan NSCA paham sim Nongpoh ya ka Lympung Ialehkai jong Khynnah Skul lapan long da ka jingwan ni bynta jong Khynnah Skul na keleng ki skul kibodan Bhoi district na lor ki kita jing Ialehkai ha ganing sing sedang lapan long ya ki jing Ialehkai ki bakentup ya ka high jump ka shot put ka 100 meter race ka 60 meter race ka 600 meter race bat ki menta ka snem ki dan hadu live Tylli ki school ki bawan bani bynta ha ka district level inter school athletics meet arjar arpsan ha ka badon ru katto ka Tylli ki school ki ba om syam lala pan wani bynta na ki live Tylli ki school kumba khendai spa tam Ngut ki Khynnah kiwan bani bynta ha ki jing Ialehkai baper bar ki jing ko baper kene ke district level inter school athletics meet arjar arpsan kabal sedang menta ka sengi kan kut hadu ka sengi palei jong ka tayo kata ha ka khatnyau tarik uyayong arjar arpsan bat kan ne ban pani Ialehkai ha kini ki lai sengi lenter kum ka jing sedang jong ka jing Ialehkai ha kene sengi sedang lapli perda ya ka district level inter school athletics meet arjar arpsan da block development officer ka umling CNR di block uba Eric Kevin Dekar kumukongsan ha ka jingdon lang jong ba Bobby L Nongbet uba district sports officer Bhoi district nang tau ba RB Shadap uba president jong ka RBDSA ki Nohikai jong Skul ki Khynnah Skul lembat kiwe
Thank you very much, sir.
Opportunity to congratulate him and his team for working so hard in bringing laurels to the state, not only in one field of sport but in many other different fields as well. So, Bhoi district has become one of the main centers for excellence in terms of sports because of the presence of officers like Bhoi and his team. So I would like to request all of us to please give a big hand of applause to Bhoi and his team, who is the president of the Bhoi District Sports Association, and the secretary also is here, Bakin, if I get the name right. He's district level sports meet. I would like to mention that being a sports person myself, I realize that it takes you to places and it helps to build perseverance, it helps to build integrity, and it helps to build discipline. So all the hard work that you have put in preparing for today's meet, and with the skill that the gods above have blessed you with, I'm sure that this will take you a long way in achieving not only the goal for today, but in achieving life's goals as a whole. Secondly, I would like to mention that all your hard work will pay off today, whether it's in winning or it's in defeat. But all this will teach you humility, and like I had mentioned, it will teach you discipline, and it will teach you how to get along without having so much of indiscipline. So this will help you achieve greater heights. So please remember that as academic excellence also is important, so is physical education, because it's not only the mind that has to grow, even the body has to grow along with the mind, and that will take you to different greater heights. So on that note, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very eventful and a very meaningful sports meet. And also remember that God has given you the skill, and today is your podium to showcase that. So make use of it, and always strive for the greater good. And with these few words, I would like to again one last time wish you all the very best, and God bless. And on that note, I would declare the District Sports Meet 2025 open.
Mengenai sport dari Bhoi nak bynta kilan met di hak berkekia bat kunjuru mendalai ke sport kalau Bhoi nak kilat kamai hak jengin betul bila dah kilat Khynnah. Jadi mana dah lepas kanam keburam kantam lelai ke Bhoi kejongi nilai yo 6 hak jengin bagi Ialehkai sport nadu football atletik bagi wejuwe. Dengan kurang yang ujian soal jongka distrik kejongi Upapo ke jindon jungi apa ke Islam. Kali Bhoi kelapau wat hadu ke national level. Kadang ke Skul belajar Malaysia ke France. Ini kilat kelenti kita nama apa? Midon mereka district office, district sport office, kalau organize. Yang football, lambak ke super top bat juwe mana ke Islam. Kalau keburang ya kali Bhoi. Bagi don dia besar, kibala sisa. Pensiun yang jengkit dari nak bynta kejun kiu seperang hak Ialehkai sport. Jadi mangi bynta tungi kena Skul, ki Skul berok. Kibaya si bynta kena Ialehkai. Sin dia, bat pensiun lu yang mereka kabu, babinla benang kiu seperang hak kam Ialehkai. Ngai bulai lang yang ibarok ki Skul bulai si bynta berok. Kumangatip kita ada live untuk tungi. Kalau keburang ya kan distrik kejungi bahkan nangnya Islam tidak pun di Skul di bawah dan si muntah Ialehkai walau dan impadon kamadan ke babiang Hendrai kadai ke cakar ke babiang berdek tungka distrik headquarter hangnya hamsim mengilam mengundok yang berkumpul di Ialehkai ningai balamba kejiliwa dunia kenam hak Ialehkai sport kasurkar kan hikmat seni menayah di madan Ialehkai di babiang batu lagi itu Nangai bagi kasurkar kedua nak jilai kerau, pentunjang lut yang distrik berok, Hendrai yang dari buat distrik, lagu kalau dia ni penginio yang dikatung ni di badan, di bala penyerap jadi kena penginio akhirnya Ialehkai. Boleh sebut yang kena kesini, boleh untuk Bhoi dia balik di kena Skul berok, berkantang yang di distrik sport office, banyak di official berkata Ibadah bynta kuno organize yang kami akan buat.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bynta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru wei ar nyau lai.